we have, I believe, 16 different units in the building spread out over 4 floors in here. And one of the things, again, that Mitsubishi offers that nobody else does is every conceivable kind of equipment. Mitsubishi stocks all of those different configurations of equipment. So all we have to do is make a phone call, and we were able to change what we wanted for any individual room within the system. The system's flexible enough that we were able to change things around and make it fit into the space constraints that we had. With the Mitsubishi system, the compressors are down in the basement in the mechanical room, and all you have in the individual units are refrigerant valves and a small blower. So it's basically imperceptible. The noise levels are as quiet as you would design for in a church or an application like that. So that was, again, a unique part of this project that we were able to accomplish better with the City Multi system than we could have done with anything else.